I stopped paying for haircuts. As you can see on my hair, I definitely haven't got a haircut in a while to save money. And I ain't gonna lie, I'm going off of no script. Usually I have like talking points where I want to talk about something in my videos, but this is no script. I simply do not pay for no haircuts anymore, man. And it's the best feeling ever. It's like saving extra money in my pocket that I don't necessarily need to spend. I mean, I get why people want to like get a haircut, you know, to feel good. But I already feel good, shawty. I already feel good. So me just getting a haircut don't even make no sense no more. I mean, if I do get a haircut, and this is why I'm gonna save money at. If I do get a haircut, I'm gonna cut my hair myself. I don't think it's that hard. All I was gonna take is some YouTube tutorials, and I should be straight, right? I should look up the tools that I need on YouTube, what I need to do. This YouTube is YouTube University, man. YouTube University, man. They got everything on there. They got how to wash your car, how to do your hair, like how to install a wig on. Like they got everything to learn on there. So they got stuff that you learn in colleges that you don't even need to go to college for. They got where it's teaching you things that school should have taught you. You know what I'm saying? And school is not teaching you this stuff on YouTube. They got all this stuff on YouTube. So man, I'm pretty sure I can learn how to do my hair from watching YouTube videos. I'm pretty sure. Like I don't think it's that complicated. I mean, to get a real fresh cut, you might need to know some things, but I can learn that from YouTube. I'm not tripping. But I ain't gonna lie, prices is rising. And people is not doing $10, $20 no more. You wanna know the prices they doing, bro. Like when I tell you, you're gonna be so surprised. Like I'm seeing like influencers getting charged a band, like, and niggas actually paying for that stuff. Or like I don't know. Yeah, they paying a lot of money that they don't need to pay, you know what I'm saying? But I understand they want to feel good, but is that haircut worth $1,000, $200, $100? I don't think so, man. I'd rather do it myself, learn this another skill that I can learn, you know what I'm saying? And then, hey, I could be the same person charging people to cut their hair, but hey, it's really a hustle though. I respect the hustle. I'm not mad at the hustle, but I won't be participating in getting my money taken from me. I won't let you rob me for my money and you just cut my, like, you know what I'm saying? So people used to, I remember growing up, but I don't know if I got some pictures on here or something. I don't know if I got some pictures of my haircuts, but if I do, I'm gonna pop them up. Hey, I remember I had a mohawk, bro. Like, dang, I used to have a mohawk. I really used to have a mohawk, bro. I really liked that junk too. Like, I really thought that was something. Like, hey, but I had a mohawk. I done had a bald head. I done had dreads, bro. I done had a bootsy fade. I done had a high top fade. What, bro? I done had almost every haircut that a black little boy could have or a black man could have. You know what I'm saying? I done went bald. Like I'm talking skin bald. I'm like, bro, like what? My hair is bad right now, but I feel good though. I never felt better than I do right now. I ain't gonna lie, and I don't even have a haircut. Just imagine if I get a haircut, you know how better I'ma feel? Just seeing this feeling, that feel when you get a new haircut and your barber gets you right for a decent price. You know what I'm saying? But man, I'm not paying no more for a haircut. I know a barber that charge, and she family, but she charge $20 a haircut. That's not bad. I understand that You got to think about the time and their expertise. I understand $20 for a haircut. That's probably, I say, I go 30 on a haircut. That's maximum. I go on a haircut. But I'm not paying anything higher than that. But that $20, like, say, because I don't get that spray on my haircut. I don't get that spray on my hairline. I'm not a fan of that. I just like it raw, authentic, just like I try to do my YouTube videos. I'm not editing no videos on my channel unless, I don't know, I might feel away, but I might want to experiment or something. But dang, what was I talking about? I'm talking a head off. Dang, what was I saying, bro? I forgot what I was saying, gang. I don't know. I think I was talking about I'm not spending this much. Dang, that was like, dang, bro. That was like literally in a blink of a second. I forgot what I was gonna say. But the point is, I'm not paying no money for no haircut. I'm trying to save money. I'm getting back to it. What I was talking about before. I'm not saving. I'm not paying no money. I'm saving money. I'm saving $20 or $30. For me, it's $30 what I paid my barber. I'm saving $20. I be having to get haircuts like every 2 weeks, really every week, cause you know, like it's only like your hair be growing. So like every week you gotta get a haircut. That's $80 a haircut. I mean, that's $80 a month if you getting it 4 times. But $40 a month. It's like a subscription. Like it's like a Netflix subscription on steroids. You know what I'm saying? Like it's like a Netflix family subscription, gang. I'm not paying that, bro. It's like a Netflix subscription every week. I'm not finna pay that, bro. That's just money I can save in my pocket. So I'm gonna take that risk, chop for a little bit, but I still got that beauty on me and inside me. So I ain't really tripping. If a girl just so happen to approach me or vice versa, and she be like, you chop, man. It's just what it is. Shawty, I'm wolfing right now. You know what I'm saying? I'm wolfing right now until I learn the skill to cut my hair. But I'm gonna get my joint right, though. But this video pretty much me ranting about why I'm not spending no money on haircuts. It's $20 a haircut, my nigga. It's more money I can save in my pocket. And I didn't even introduce myself, but we didn't got this far into the video. I'm just going to introduce myself. My name is Kamari. This is the K for Knowledge channel. Thank you for watching. And we're going to be talking about a whole lot of things about how you can make money, finances, managing money, mistakes I made when regarding money, lessons I've learned from things in life about finances, side hustles, a lot of things, man. We're gonna be covering all that type of stuff, and we're gonna try to get a deep dive in finances. And I would appreciate it if you gave this video a like and subscribed with notifications on. And I know I just rented this video, but probably gonna have one of these every now and then. While I'm just ranting or like talking about the topic, no script. That's what this video was. But I hope you enjoyed this video or gain something. Save your money from them haircuts that you paying every week or 2 or every month. Save your money, bro. Go learn that skill. I'm finna learn that skill. And when I learn that skill, I'm gonna come back on this YouTube and I'm gonna be like, bro, guess what I learned? I learned how to do my hair. I learned how to give myself a haircut. And yeah. But for right now, I'm chopped. I'm woofing. Hey, don't hate the game. I don't know. But thank you for watching. If you got this far, I hope you learned something. But I'm out. Love you guys. Peace.